In this video, we'll look at a few ways of making a magnetic window screen for car or van camping. The first way is quick and easy. All you need is some screen material, scissors, and some strong neodymium magnets. We chose plastic-coated magnets. The plastic coating protects the magnet from corrosion and also prevents from scratching the paint. These magnets come in 8 different colors. The link is in the description. The downside to this method is it doesn't look very nice, and it also takes some time to put the screen on. It also took a decent amount of magnets to keep the screen taut. To make a nicer looking screen, we'll sew some material and the magnets onto the screen border. We took some paper to make an outline of the window to make it easier to cut the screen and material to size. We used some thin cotton fabric to border the screen. The thinner the fabric, the better. Thicker fabric will decrease the magnetic force. We sewed the material to the screen with 2 seams to make a nice pocket. Before inserting the magnets, we used some of the same plastic-coated magnets to sandwich the screen to the car. Doing this added some stiffness to the screen, so we didn't have to use as many magnets. It does look a bit nicer, although it still requires additional time to put it on. Finally, we sewed some magnets into the pocket all the way around the border. We tried 2 different magnets, sewing magnets and plain disc magnets. The links are in the description. The sewing magnets were great because the plastic cover makes it very easy to sew. We just had to sew one side to keep it in place. The disc magnet also worked well, but we needed to sew all the way around it just to keep it in place. The sewing magnets cost a few more dollars, but are much easier to work with and provide a bit more strength.
It's through the plastic a little bit. Cool.
The finished product was great. It takes no time at all to put the screen on and off. You can even open the door and the screen stays on. If you're at all crafty, this might be the best way to go. The second option was good too, but if you're going to go through the trouble of sewing the border, you might as well sew the magnets in too. If you're like us and can't really sew, the first option might be best. For option 1, we use 20 plastic-coated magnets, which costs around $33. Option 2 used 16 plastic-coated magnets, which cost about $25. Finally, option 3 used about 16 sewing magnets, which cost around $24. A fourth option, which we didn't show, is to take some plain disc magnets and wrap them in packing tape to waterproof them. If you use around 20 of these magnets, it'll cost around $16. The links for all the magnets are in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.